In the modern workplace, there are challenges surrounding performance reviews and negativity that these always seem to stir up. Most supervisors and managers hate giving performance reviews of their supervisees and will avoid answering emails and calls from the Human Resources Department just to get out of doing these reviews. However, this negative culture surrounding employee reviews is often actually a result of the feedback system being poorly designed. If the process is badly run or there is an absence of objectivity and structure, then managers feel as though it is nothing more than a necessary requirement imposed on them by HR, while employees fear getting a negative review. Neither side is benefiting from the process in the way that they should. As a result of this negativity around performance reviews, many managers and employees will approach the task in ways which limit the benefits of the reviews in the first place. Employees, for example, will often avoid saying anything critical of their immediate supervisors for fear of reprisals or backlash later on. When performance review and feedback systems are poorly designed, managers often tend to use the sandwich method of evaluating staff under their direct supervision. This is where they sandwich whatever negative criticism of an employee's work performance they might make between two pieces of overly positive feedback. In doing so, the manager is trying to avoid hurting the feelings of the employee in question, but this approach often has the result of simply confusing the process and diluting down the effectiveness of the PR process. The key to avoiding these issues is a well-designed performance review scorecard. This need not be an overly complex scorecard, and, as we will see, the most effective performance review scorecard should actually only be a one-page document. But within that page it needs to ask questions which will avoid people giving abstract, vague answers and instead ask them to give specific details when evaluating their own performance and those of others. This is the key to effective performance review processes. A one-page scorecard might sound short, but if it is well designed and implemented, it should have a number of positive benefits. Firstly, it will make both managers and employees more comfortable about the entire review process. Secondly, it should help your employees and their managers to identify more accurately what is expected of them and how they can improve their performance. Thirdly, it will help the career growth of individual employees. And, finally, a well-designed scorecard and performance review process will positively impact on the work culture of your organization. It will make employees more confident in their work and lead in the long run to more positive reinforcement. This in turn will have a trickle-down effect whereby employees encourage their coworkers to perform at their best. Thus, performance scorecards, if well designed and used effectively, can have great benefits for any organization.